With so many kitchen appliances and products available today, kitchen maintenance is quite a challenge. Kitchen maintenance should not be taken lightly, especially if you own all-white kitchen space. It can help you save a lot of money in the long run if you do not take your kitchen for granted. Number 1. Dispose of your garbage. You should first make sure that all your garbage is properly disposed of every week. Garbage cans should be kept clean and dust-free. You will be thankful if your modern kitchen can be free from long-due garbage. Number 2. Clean your appliance. Every appliance should be cleaned regularly. You can use dishwasher detergent or bleach to clean the kitchen appliances. Use dishwasher liquid or bleach solution to clean the outside of your refrigerator and also your microwave. Number 3. Clean your stovetop. If you are using an electric stove, you can use a cleaner or cleaner solution to clean it. You should remove any food stains from your countertops before putting down new linoleum or tile flooring. Number 4. Maintain your floor's hygiene. Make sure that your floors are properly maintained at all times. Do not leave spills on the floor for long periods, as this can cause scratches on the floor. Number 5. Beware of children's trouble. If you have children, they can make a mess on your kitchen floor now and then. You should also remove any food stains that remain on the countertops before you lay down new linoleum or tile flooring. If left unattended, they may discolor or damage the wood surface of the new flooring. What do you think? Let us know in the comment section below. Subscribe to Cutie to stay up to date with all the latest videos, and be sure to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Thanks for watching.